Malapit na gabi, kinausap naman ni Kuya si Seichi at ang kasabay nitong lumipat na si Jazz.
Kamusta?
Okay naman po, kuya.
Okay lang ba?
Bakit ang ganda ng ngiti mo?
Because here the confession room is so warm, and then beautiful lady is beside me. Very magandang hubog na katawan. Yeah, that's why happy boy.
Sorry.
Gusto mong makakita ng labas?
Outside mean outside?
See, the outside.
Wait, it's mean I'm leaving the house? No?
No.
Oh. Yeah, I want to see the sky, beautiful sky in the Philippines. Yeah, I want to see, of course, Opo, yeah. Because very maganda, beautiful.
Ang usapan na uwi sa pabuyang ipinangako ni Kuya sa paglipat ng dalawa.
Dahil 45 minutes kayo na hindi nakita kung kayo ay pumasok dito sa bagong bahay. 45 minutes din ang ibibigay ko sa inyo para makapasyal.
Ay, mabuhay! Oh, sige.
Wow, ang ganda! Namiss ko.
Wow! Wow!
Oh, wait.
Super happy po kuya. Super happy. Sobra po kuya. Me too.
Ayan.
Masters, right?
Oh, turn back. Okay. Babe.
Opo. The first, basta. In the way.
Yeah, that's in the back.
Ba? Hindi ba?
Yeah.
See, you don't have to make noises like that.
Kuya. Very, what call this? Magandang hubog.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello, Philippine! Oh.
Why? I don't want to sleep.
Because we only have 45 minutes.
45 minutes, haraka. 45 minutes, sige.
Malamig?
Malamig, yeah. Go, yeah. Mabuhay, Filipino!
Wait, no. Don't wet my hair.
Di alam nila Jazz at Seichi may nagmamasid sa kanilang pagsasaya. Pagbalik sa confession room, si Seichi humirit pa ng isang date.
Yeah, I like to go outside with her. Basta dating, yeah, with her. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, yeah.
Sa pagtatapos ng date, si Seichi hinarana pa si Jazz.
Love you. 逃れたどり着いたこの部屋 Salamat.
Domo, arigato.
Arigato, kuya. Maraming salamat po, kuya.